Mr. President,
ladies and gentlemen, thank you for a successful election. Congratulations to opposition leaders to accept the defeat. Thanks to the security forces. Thank you once again to the Electoral Commission for good work done. I'm not going to discriminate. Once I'm in power, I am not only here for my party members, but for all the people of this nation, OMOFIA. Once we have abolished slave trade, Western world, including Europeans, still want to slave us. Let G8 listen. Africa, we are one, and we are capable of managing our own affairs. My fellow OMOFIANs, I'm not against any religion. My government is for the people and by the people. Any church who do not establish a company attached to the church should be closed down in the next 1 year.